Hello friends, hello treasures, hello families. Today I'm making this condensed milk. If you live here in Nigeria, you know that condensed milk is not found in every store and shop. So if you have a recipe you need this for, you can easily make yours at home. And that is why I'm making this today, because I have a recipe to make, but I couldn't get condensed milk in a nearby shop here. So I had to come to make mine. Let me send this. So to make this, here I have 2 cups of warm water, lukewarm water, which I'm going to use, and dissolve the milk first. And I've added 2 cups of milk powdered. Another thing that we don't easily get here is the milk in the carton, in a pack. That is the liquid milk. So what we have here commonly is powdered milk. So I'm using powdered milk to make this condensed milk. And then I'll add sugar. Add sugar according to your own taste. I'm using 3/4 cup of sugar, but you can use full cup, you can use less also. I'll make sure the milk dissolves very well. I mix the milk and sugar very well before putting on my gas or heat. I'm also going to add this. This is baking soda. This will make this condensed milk more creamy. The baking soda will make this condensed milk creamier. That's my light. This. Trying to find better light. I think I'm done dissolving the milk. I will now put on my gas. Then I'll allow the milk to boil on a medium to low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until it begins to thicken. I'll also be stirring it occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the pot, and also keep an eye on it so that the milk doesn't boil over. With the baking soda in it, it can easily boil over. Another thing is that you can put your baking soda towards the end of your cooking the milk. I hope you get me. You can also skip adding the baking soda. You can just do the milk and water alone. And you can use 1 cup of water for 1 cup of milk, or half cup of water for 1 cup of milk, to reduce your boiling or cooking time. At this point, you can see that the milk has boiled down, changed color, and also beginning to thicken. I'll cook it again or boil it again for about 5 minutes or 7 minutes more. Then I'll put off my gas. And here I have my condensed milk. I think I've overcooked this. I shouldn't have cooked it that extra 7 minutes. Please don't let your own get to this point, because it's going to get very thick when it cools down. And the father was what happened. It became very thick, but it was still okay anyway. This was my first time trying this, and I think I did not do badly. So I will allow it now to cool down before taking it out from the pot and bottle it, or transfer it into the container we're going to use. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you can now make your own condensed milk at home. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.